Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take pen off of leather in your car using a household product, which is probably not something you're going to think of, but most people have it. It's laying around their garage. It's Rain-X. This is meant for your windshield, but I'll show you what it does to the pen on leather. So here's just a little scrap piece of leather, white leather, and I actually have 3 different colors here of ink. So I'll do 3 different samples. Here's a line of blue, and here's a line of red. And I also have a Sharpie. So we'll see how well it works. We'll let this dry a little bit. We'll see how well it works on 3 different colors of ink and a Sharpie. So basically this is just Rain-X. I'm going to spray it on the cloth, or you could even spray it directly on it and you can see right away it's starting to work. I'll do half so you can see the difference. So you can see the Sharpie is taking a little bit longer to come off. The black ink, same thing. Now you always want to do a test spot just to make sure that it's not going to ruin the leather. This is actually a real piece of leather. It's not, it's from a couch. But you can see it cleaned it up pretty good. You may have a little bit of ink left, but it looks a lot better than leaving the pen on your leather. Quick note guys, this is just like an emergency thing. I don't recommend trying to clean your leather with Rain-X. It's just for removing pen. If you don't have anything else that will remove it, you can resort to Rain-X. The other thing too though guys, you want to make sure that you're cleaning the leather after you're done to try to remove the Rain-X and apply a leather conditioner, because you don't want to be leaving Rain-X on the leather. So there's a little tip for you guys on how to take pen off of leather. Here, let me take the rest off so we don't get a comment of some guy saying, "Ah, you didn't remove it all."